everyone, today I want to do one more tutorial for you, and it will be some soft kind of cut crease. Because always the preparation for my face is pretty same, I will first it up and all product list I will put right down under in info box. So we are done with our face and let's start to work with our eyes. As eyeshadow I will use this Huda Beauty palette and some cream textures and some shimmering pearl powders. So let's start. So as a base for my eyeshadow I used my concealer, and with the color of Demure, with a soft peachy color I start to create form on my eyes. After I will use a white gel from England in number 76 and apply it under my brow with a soft and thin layer, and a little bit more I will apply on my crease, creating like a soft cut crease form. After, with the white pearl powder, I just back an inner corner, and on my outer corner I just back with any soft beige color. Same ivory color I apply under my eyebrow. I want to add this first color more, just to intensify contrast between. I take little darker color, Cocoa, to intensify only my outer corner. Lower lid I will work with black pencil, and first I put it in my waterline and blend it out. Fix it with black matte eyeshadow and blend it down. See, we create like a base for our next moment in our makeup, and only eyeliner left, and we have to pray to God to be normal. The fact you can leave it like that, but I wanted to blend this eyeliner a little bit inside, and it will be more interesting. One side of my face is done and I have to do another one. for final look. So our makeup is done. I applied some lashes so my eyes will be really defined, and I applied some lipstick, and as lip pencil it was Maybelline Color Sensation in number 50 Dusty Rose. And over I apply my favorite peachy color matte lipstick from Sephora in number 71 and some little of lip gloss over my lips. Every time I try to create for YouTube tutorials some cut crease look or some graphic makeups, it's always so complicated for me because my hands are working on models and on clients, and it's much more easier to do for me on someone else and nicer than on myself. And yeah, it was complicated for me, but I think it's a nice idea for you if you want to do some pretty fast makeup. Pretty fast. If you want to do some makeup with a cut crease idea, and it's really look sophisticated and it's make my eyes bigger also. It's much more easier to do with a pencil technique, definitely not with gel, and a lot of people will tell me that okay, it's easier to do with concealer to cut this crease, but I can tell you that for me, I'm not a fan to do it with concealer because concealer have usually hydration, and with the oily eyes, for example, if you have like an oily skin, it will not work because it will crease. So that's why I'm doing it with a gel, because gel is waterproof and it's really long wearing. Of course, with gel it's harder to work, it's harder to cut this crease, but I can tell you that it will be better with a long wearity of your makeup. But that's my idea, and that is why I like to do this with gel. So that is an idea. Write your comments, do you like it or not, because I have some inspiration to do some true makeup on myself. Yeah, it's very unusual for me because in real life I'm usually even without mascara on my eyes, and that is like a lot for me. So thank you for watching. Write your comments under, write your ideas, what you want to see from video tutorials, and also visit my Instagram page because there are a lot of ideas for you. You can find a lot of beautiful pictures, a lot of makeups which I'm doing professionally on models, not on myself. Thank you for watching. Ciao ciao.